My father is Ibong.
What's your part of your
What's my part of ano?
family
Planning.
Name?
Digayo.
What's your family name?
Digayo.
Ha?
Digayo is my family name.
Digayo. Sa Minanga?
Oo.
Minanga. Alam ko yan.
You, what's your family name?
No, I not know. I not know my family.
You don't have a family?
Oh, I not know my family.
Oh.
Can't be.
Digayo.
Liar, you're a liar.
Ay, Digayo.
Did you say liar? Ha? Not good.
I'm not a liar. I tell you the truth.
You're telling me
You're
that
not
you don't
telling
have
the
a family.
truth.
I'm not telling the truth. I tell you now. Your
Your You're what?
Ask my daughter. You are my daughter. I'm your father.
I am your daughter?
I am the name. Sarin Tagutok. What is
Tagutok?
Oh.
That's your family name?
Oh,
Tagutok?
that is true.
I am not
Where
your daughter.
where you are graduating at your MSc? In Notre
I am
Dame or
not
what part?
Notre Dame.
Oh, Notre Dame. What course in Notre Dame?
BSed nga.
No, not telling.
She's a teacher.
Teacher.
Someday.
I am not yet.
Not teacher.
I'm a fourth year.
That is not true. You are telling me you are graduated as your student, but now you have not finished for your student. You are bad.
What?
You are
I am
very
bad.
bad.
No, I'm not.
Bad, that is bad.
You're asking me what is my course,
Yes,
right?
according me.
According to you.
I'm the teacher from the Notre Dame, but now you are not finished your Notre Dame. That you are not telling the truth.
Jingli,
You are
pag-iisip to me.
you are telling a lie.
No, I'm not lying.
You tell the truth.
Okay.
Okay.
For now, I am a fourth-year college student of
Oh.
Notre Dame of the Jangas
Oh,
University.
What?
My course is BSed.
Oh, we said.
Oh, do you get it?
Oh.
Oh, that's all.
Thank you.
You are finished. You are
Not yet
graduate.
finished. I said I'm still a student of Notre Dame of the Jangas
College,
University.
I think.
Do you get it?
You are telling us you are finished for the Notre Dame of the Jangas College.
I'm not yet
You are
finished.
telling you are a teacher, but you are not.
I'm
You are
not-
not willing to teach in the Bayan Elementary.
No,
You
I'm
are,
not going to teach
You are
there.
mistaken.
Hmm?
That's the wrong way. That's the
Why? And what is
You
the right
tell
way
me
for
are
you?
graduated, you are a teacher in the from the Notre Dame of the Jangas College. You are what is the wrong? You are teacher. What you are not teaching here?
Because I'm
Bayan
saying
Elementary.
I'm not yet done studying.
You tell the truth.
Yeah,
You tell me.
that's why I'm saying the
Uncle,
truth.
I'm not yet finished by
Because you are you and you are me.
Oh, there's a genius one. Do you want to talk?
You are telling a lie. You are a liar. I tell you the truth.
You know-
I know what you do.
I can charge you libel. You are saying that I am liar.
Cebuano, Ilocano,
Ah.
Bicolano, I don't.
Ah.
Ato, grabe ako gikama, ano, ayaw na ba?
Ay-
Ayaw na.
Ako, may kabalo.
Ano? Ana.
Ano?
Ikaw, kataw. Si Papang mo, nag-down na. Is winning for...
As I am saying, Mr. What's your family name?
I don't know.
He's not
I
my
telling you,
father.
Ayaw na.
My father's name is
Imbong.
Ray Imbong Digayo.
Bong Ligayo.
Oh,
How about this?
lolo ko siya. Uncle ko siya.
Ligayo.
Banya siya. Digayo ko.
Pero, during the time...
Sino na tsuna nagmata na gawad sa
You
aton.
are your head, no? You are
Brown
running for
out.
Iski, no? Iski president, no?
Me?
Ah.
Is the president? No, I'm not.
Nakuha ko
I'm
na.
already 21.
Iski.
SK is 18 below,
Iski,
not
Iski,
21.
You're running
Iski?
Iski in the...
No, I'm not running for SK.
I know your face.
My face? Do you know me?
I know.
Am I beautiful?
I know, he's running now, no? This is ski now.
She's beautiful, right?
This should be a good
Ah,
girl.
I'm good girl. Kabalo lang ka.
I think, no? You're the daughter of...
Could you describe me?
The daughter of...
Daughter of
this Dodong...
Dudong?
Dodong... Ito, Dodong.
Sino Dodong?
Dodong, si Lomo niya today the time, no, during time, he's winning for Kagawad. But now it's not, they will put down, ha?
Dodong!
Bascado.
Iba naman yun, no?
Adi, Mascardo, is winning for the child. Sayang mga Digayo. Digayo, no? Digayo is the beautiful lady.
Wow!
But there is something wrong.
Huh?
Digayo is not for seeking for the part of the world. What is seeking? What is I can study. What is seeking? What is meaning of seeking? I study from Notre Dame. What is the study of Notre Dame is singing? Stand to the Arnold.
Pause for a while.
Loyal unto his remain. Oh, dire is passing by. You are mine. I'm studying Notre Dame.
You're
Stand today, our Notre Dame. Loyal unto and always remain. Oh, dire to passing by.
What year are you?
You are the good. Sweet. Aligo sa Notre Dame.
Ano year ka nag-eskwela dito?
I'm the student of Notre Dame.
You're the alumni of Notre Dame.
You are in Notre Dame. There is your part of what? Di kayo.
What year are you there?
1966.
Wow! 1966?
Oh,
Ano ba tinagal?
very old, ma.
Obvious. It's very obvious that you're
Your
an
man
old
is
man. No, you have your mustache, which is color white
The
already.
six is the part that
This
the
mustache.
six is the
mustache here is color white.
six is the part of six. I'm the 6 years old in the part of six.
How old are you now?
Barbon. What Barbon?
How young are you now? Not how old.
You ask me how? 90.
90.
I am.
You are
Oh.
I am now.
forget your age.
I am.
You're cheating,
My
you're
age is
cheating,
now
you're cheating.
is 63 years old. Oh, I tell you the truth.
60?
Oh, 60 years old.
60 years
But
old?
I'm still.
I doubt it.
We can
I
marry.
doubt it.
Oh, we can marry.
I'll never believe in you. You're not 66. For me, maybe
62
you're
is the-
90.
62 is the
66
part of that.
What?
What?
62
Siki,
is
siki,
2
stop!
years old. 6 years old.
I am telling the truth. I'm already 21 years old.
You are not 21. You are not 21. I think of you. Don't lie.
Oh, for you, how young are you?
I tell you, my age is 62 years
Eh,
old.
you said 92.
Oh, you are
Oh, 92.
21.
Dumalas yung dila
You
mo,
are not
92 ka na.
21. Parang dusi-dusi ba?
Ikaw?
Oh, grabe mag-prediction sa ako mag ano si Cristiano?
Projection.
Tama na, ang imong ko na. Rachel, your father is running for Kagawad.
Who's my father?
Your lolo. Your lolo is running during Marcos.
Gamin na yun, lolo na.
I am a member of that during the time of your
Marcos?
all the time. This is
She
the
is a Cory.
father. This is the
I am the granddaughter of Cory Aquino. Do you know that?
You are also between the part of Banyas family.
Oh.
What is Banyas family?
What is-
What's your uncle, attorney Pinong Banyas? That's my uncle.
Do you know him?
That is my uncle. That is my uncle. You're not uncle. Out that is the part. That is my uncle, Pinong Banyas.
So I am going to migrate now?
Ayaw. Si Pino Banyas died.
Masala natin ba?
This Asiman. Garcia.
Wait for a while. I'm going to...
Ano?
ano?
Fresh pa tayo ba?
Al scholar po niyo. Scholar.
Scholar ng mata niyo.
Ayaw na ako sa bibi. Les, you ask me, what part ba? Murag magbuntis ka mga kaya pa. Mawalan sa watching palagay mo dyan. Mayroon ka dyan ang nangyari sa iyo.
Anong parang buntis? Talagang buntis ako.
Bigyan kita ng mabili. Yung ganyan ba, hawakan ko lang. Hawakan ko yung ganyan yung
Ang ano?
yung mama. Tingnan mo lang.
Nakabakal ka sa tabi.